Hey, welcome back. In today's video we are trying to add our ramps. But before adding our ramps, I would like to change this, this floor. What I'll do is that I'll go to the edit mode and I'll try to trim it, maybe. Just select this, delete, and trim this with this one. Yep. And we will have something like this. And don't attach, and as you can see we have a problem from here. Just go to the edit stair and go to the street level. Yep. And try to align it. Sometimes let me show you something. When I align this, you see I can attach to it. But if you couldn't attach it, just align it, AL, just select, and something like this has been created. Let me align this with this one, and you can see something like this. A gap again occurred. No problems. We just align this. Control Z it. I'll put something here and just align this with our hands or manually. I'll finish edit mode. And something that's worth mentioning is that we can delete these, the up and the I mean this one, this I'll delete this, select it. You can just delete it or just go to the here, show up text. I'll say don't show it. Show down text. I'll say don't show it. Apply it and nothing will be shown. Something like this. So I want to go to the street level and go to the architecture tab, to the circulation panel. We have our ramp. So this is our ramp. We can create it. So click on it. We don't have any shortcuts for it. And let's go with the let me go to the graph to the properties. My base level will be street and the top level will be ground floor and 0 0, and I don't want to see these up label and down label, up and down. Okay, so the first thing first, I want the wheelchair or disabled people to come here and go here until here. So I'll click and maybe click till here. Maybe. Let me just see. Click. And this will be like a helping line, guideline, ning us. It's the dash line, I mean. Just click on it and something like this will be created. And this is the end of the thing. And it created a landing for us. So what I will do is that I'll align it, AL, align it with this. And don't forget to click on this and bring this here, because this is deciding where the inclination will start or where the slope will start. Okay, so something like this, maybe aligning it with this one too. Yep, and aligning this with the building, maybe. But we have a problem here. We just go with selecting our ramp and changing it with the arrows till it starts to come here. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for here. Okay, something like this. Let's go to the 3D and see. Yeah, I'll go with the finish edit mode, and as you can see, this is attaching to it. This is what we wanted. See, this is our ramp. Okay, and we have to add a railing for here. Okay, just let's go to the ground floor so no one will fall down. Let me go to the architecture and go to the railing and have a railing here. Have a 5 centimeters from the inside and click to drag it till here. Something like this, yeah. Okay, or maybe just aligning with the center of this. Do we have the center of this? Nope. So we should do what? Let me see. Let me just select and do it manually. Yep, something like this. And maybe to add something here and have a trim and extent, as you can see. Something like this. See, this is what I wanted. So this is it for today's lecture, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.